We will guide you through how to make pipe AutoCAD. Quick disclaimer, skipping this single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, begin by opening AutoCAD and clicking New to start a drawing. Type ML style in the command line and press Enter. Click New and enter DWP as the name of the new multi-line style. Click Continue and enter Drainage Waste Pipe as the description. Under Element Settings, keep the two outer lines. Click Add to create a center line and set its offset to 0 so it stays in the center. Set the outer line colors to bilayer. Select the center line type. Click Load, choose Center, and apply it to the center line. Edit the cap settings and check the start and end caps. Leave the angle settings at their default values and turn off display joints. Click OK and then OK again to save the new multi-line style. Type ML in the command line and press Enter to check the default M-line settings. Type ML again. Click Style, select DWP, and press Enter. Draw the pipe by selecting the starting point and then selecting the required points along the pipe route. After creating the first pipe, type ML style in the command line and press Enter to create another multi-line style. Click New, enter DWP45 as the style name, and click Continue. Set the angle to 45 degrees, then check the start cap and end cap settings. Turn on display joints so the pipe connections are visible. Click OK, type ML in the command line and press Enter. Click Style, select DWP45 and press Enter. Draw the 45-degree pipe to test the new style and confirm that the angled pipe displays correctly. Save the drawing by pressing Ctrl+S to preserve the completed 2D pipe drawing and keep everything organized for editing.